I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Apple TV Plus subscription, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is where you'll find all your account options. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This is crucial for managing your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select the Subscriptions option. This will show you all the subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Find Apple TV Plus. Look for Apple TV Plus in the list of subscriptions. Once you find it, tap on it to see the subscription details. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice when prompted. Remember, you can still use the service until the end of the billing cycle. Sometimes, users miss the confirmation prompt and think the cancellation didn't go through. Make sure to check for any pop-up messages. I hope this helped you manage your subscription easily. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.